A cylinder container of a radius r is equals to 2 feet and height s is equals to 7 feet is partially filled with a liquid when the container is rotate about its axis of symmetry at a constant angular speed omega. The surface of the liquid assumes a parabolic cross section. Suppose that the parabola is given by as the function is given as y is equals to 2 plus omega square x square divided by 2g. Find the volume of the liquid in the rotating container if the liquid reaches a height h naught of 4 feet on the side of the container. So here we have to calculate the volume. So we will see it as, so we see from diagram and we know that when x is equals to 0 and then height of the liquid is 2.